In this video, I'll show you how to increase quality of video in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. So if you look at here, this AI UHD, I'm going to click on it. So you can see like the current default resolution is 1080p. So if you love to get the best quality version of your videos, what you need to do, you need to get the pro version. So I'm advising you all to get the pro version so as you can be able to do this. So you can be able to adjust it from this 1080p to 2K or 4K depending on your preference. You can be also able to adjust your frame rate, adjust your bit rate, and once you are done, you can be able to click on export. So you can be able to get the best quality of video in CapCut once you get to the pro version. So this is what I'm telling you all to do. So please make sure you do this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.